Hey, so another piece of technology that I want to share with you that I cannot wait to use is TedEd. I mean, who doesn't love TED Talks? I know that we've all watched a ton of TED Talks as part of this master's program, not this class specifically, but others. And I mean, they're amazing. And to know that there's a TED-Ed is fantastic. So I love it because you can look through lessons that have already been created, that are interactive. Ooh, fun, Olympics. I didn't even see this one. It's cool because you watch, you think, you dig deeper, you discuss. You can customize these lessons. So I think this is one I'll do with my own children. It sounds like so much fun. But you can also create your own lessons right here. Try it out. So a topic I think this would be great for, because they are TED Talk based things, is social emotional learning. And look at this, look at the responses here. Something for kind of each age group. I think this social emotional learning video lessons, we tend to name that emotion, would be really great for kids. So you can click on it and then work through adding your content. So this will be the title. You get started. You can just introduce the lesson, like, let's see, do you know how to identify your emotions properly? Question, save it, and you can continue going through. I can show you one that I already worked on. This is on critical thinking because we had to do the critical thinking assignment in this class, and that's what got me thinking about critical thinking. So they watch it, they think and answer this question, they dig deeper, and they discuss it. What is really cool is that you can share this via email, and then they don't have to have an account. You can just share the link. So we are Google Classroom schools, and so I can just share the link and they don't have to sign in. They just go to the link. I think that's fantastic. It's user friendly. This is, if we're looking at the ISTE standards, I think that this falls in really well with equity and citizenship. And it also allows for teachers to create lessons and then share them with fellow teachers, which is inspiring a culture of innovation and collaboration through the use of these tools. One teacher creates a social emotional lesson, and it can be used throughout the whole school. So I think it's a really great, let me find the right thing here. I think it's a really great tool that we can be using. So check out TedEd.